The HMD Skyline might be the company's first hit in its post-Nokia era. The controversy abounds as the handset's design is in fact reminiscent of the good old Nokia N9. Still, it brings a couple of unique features to the table that will allow the device to stand out from the crowd. First on this list is the easy DIY repairability. HMD designed the phone to be as easily repaired as possible. You need to remove just one screw to expose the internals, and it takes no more than 10 minutes to replace the battery or a broken screen. Moreover, HMD will supply you directly with spare parts, or you can also find them at iFixit along with the needed iFixit standard repair toolkit. The prices for each component are pretty decent too. The removable back still provides some protection against water and dust, though. The IP54 might not be the highest certification in the price bracket, but it provides some peace of mind in dusty or rainy environments. The handset is built around a 6.55-inch 144Hz OLED panel, making it medium-sized by today's standards, and the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 is tasked with driving all those pixels. The 128GB base storage can be expanded via microSD card, which is also a rare find in the price range. The camera system is pretty potent, with HMD choosing to go with a 108MP main unit, a 13MP ultrawide camera and a 50MP dedicated 2x zoom camera. A 50MP selfie snapper with autofocus is on the front, another rare feature in the segment. The whole system is powered by a 4600 mAh battery supporting 33W wired charging, with none of these numbers being particularly impressive. Still, the Skyline supports 15W wireless charging and can also wirelessly charge other devices at up to 5W. Pretty neat, considering only top models are usually equipped with reverse wireless charging. As you see, we've got quite an unusual device on our hands, so let's see what HMD's first smartphone looks like from up close. Pros: premium-looking design, IP54 rated. Easy DIY repairability with a detachable back and a program for genuine replacement parts. 3 proper cameras on the back, excellent 2x zoom, selfie with AF. Speakers get extremely loud. All cameras work well during the day, that includes videos. MicroSD card slot, custom button, wireless charging, reverse 1-2. Cons: the low-light camera experience could be better. No EIS on 4K videos. The display isn't as bright as the competition. Battery life is disappointing. Charging speed is somewhat slow, and no charger in the box. Faster chipsets at the same price. Verdict: undoubtedly, the HMD Skyline is a standout smartphone. It's unique with its self-repair program, allowing you to replace the battery, display, and charging port independently. It also offers some ingress protection and an additional custom button. The unique looks and premium build make a stronger case for buying it. We are also happy to see a nice 13MP ultra-wide camera on board, a potent 2x zoom unit and a selfie with AF. However, it seems like HMD tried to appeal to the user base by mostly relying on a few rare features and may have missed the forest for the trees, if you allow us the metaphor. The display, for example, is a step back from what the industry is offering in this class. The full 144Hz refresh rate can be utilized only in one static 144Hz mode, and it does not get as bright as we would have wished. The chipset often falls short of the competition. Charging could be faster, battery life could be better, and low-light photography needs some work. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.